In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete debug logs in chunks when you've exceeded the org debug log limit on the Salesforce platform. This is an essential task for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring that your system is running smoothly. Whether you're dealing with a cluttered log directory or simply managing system resources more efficiently, these steps will guide you through the process. So, let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Salesforce account. Use your credentials to securely access the platform. Once you're logged in, locate the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. From there, you'll access Advanced Setup, a crucial area for managing your organization's settings and resources. Next, you'll want to utilize the Quick Find search bar, which is a powerful tool for swiftly navigating through the myriad of options in the Setup menu. Type Debug Logs into the search bar. This will direct you to the Debug Logs page, where you can view and manage all the existing debug log entries for your organization. Once you've accessed the Debug Logs page, take a moment to assess whether there are any debug log entries currently listed. If there are, you'll see a series of checkboxes next to each log entry. This is where you'll have the opportunity to select multiple logs simultaneously. Simply click each checkbox for the logs you want to delete. This ability to select multiple logs at once is key to managing them efficiently and ensuring that you're not hitting the org limit too frequently. After you've made your selections, look for the Delete option. Clicking this will remove all the logs you've selected, thus clearing up space and potentially preventing performance issues resulting from an overflow of information. It's important to note that due to the limits imposed by the system, you might often need to delete logs in smaller chunks. Doing so helps avoid hitting the overall organization limit and ensures that you have enough capacity for new logs as needed. Alternatively, if you're confident that you want to clear out all existing logs and start fresh, there's an option to Delete All. This tool will remove all the logs in one go. However, use this option with caution, as it will erase all the data without allowing you to review individual logs. And there you have it. Straightforward, actionable steps for effectively managing and deleting debug logs in Salesforce. Regularly managing your debug logs is a great habit to keep your system efficient and organized. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Salesforce experience.